At the beginning of the new trading week, the currency market showed a downward correction after a rapid rise on Friday. Then, investors were encouraged by the US retail sales report, which unveiled an unexpected jump, thus boosting appetite for risk. However, today traders are choosing cautious trading. Such a shift in the market sentiment was caused by the weak data on China's economic growth. Thus, during the period from July to September, China's GDP inched up by 4.9%, whereas economists had expected a bigger rise of 5.2% per annum. As a result, the euro-dollar pair dropped. The difference in the rhetoric of the US Fed and the ECB is also exerting pressure. At the weekend, President of the ECB Christine Lagarde confirmed the regulator's intention to keep the ultra-loose monetary policy unchanged. She also added that the central bank would continue supporting the economy because of the existing consequences of the virus-induced crisis. She also tried to calm down markets, saying that the supply deficit and surging energy prices were just short-lived phenomenon. What's more, market sentiment could be also influenced by the industrial production figures. It's quite possible that the US industrial production will continue growing. Judging by the existing demand and high consumer activity provided by Friday's reports, the industrial production data is likely to encourage traders. Let us take a look at the trading charts. The euro-dollar pair stopped the upward correction near 1.1624. Then it dropped and entered the sideways channel between the levels of 1.1580 and 1.1624. The local high recorded on October 4 is acting as a resistance level. The volume of long positions slid when the price touched this level. At the beginning of the European session, the pair broke the lower limit of the range located at 1.1580. As a result, the price returned to its previous levels. It's quite possible that there is an accumulation process in the market. It may lead to the price acceleration. Against this background, traders should apply the strategy based on price fixation beyond the key levels. Buy positions could be opened after the price consolidation above 1.1640. Traders could go short when the price fixes below 1.1565. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair slackened the upward movement near the local high from September 23. After that, it declined. It's quite possible that the area between 1.3640 and 1.3650 is still acting as resistance. Otherwise, the pair would have continued its correction. That's why if the price fixes below 1.3700, the correction may stop. If the predictions come true, the pound sterling may start gradually losing value. The price may drop to the low recorded on October 15. After that, traders may focus on the level of 1.3650. That is likely to allow the pair to slide deeper to 1.3610 and 1.3570. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.